జీఎస్టీ కౌన్సిల్ భేటీ తర్వాత ఆర్థిక మంత్రి అరుణ్ జైట్లీ మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
परंपरा तो है नहीं, मतलब लोकसभा चुनाव से तुरंत पहले इंटरिम बजट पेश किया जाता है. आज तक तो रुका नहीं है. मतलब 2014 के चुनाव से भी कुछ दिन पहले इंटरिम बजट पेश हुआ नहीं हुआ. हर चुनाव से पहले होता है. वो तो एक संवैधानिक आवश्यकता है.
उस समय फुल बजट 16 मार्च.
Sir, 31st December is now way past. We're getting to hear now that 15 lakh crores almost has come back into the system.
I don't know the number, but when you know it, please tell me.
सर डुअल कंट्रोल को लेकर क्या कोई नए फॉर्मूले पर विचार हो रहा है? बात कहाँ किस तरह से?
देखिए, मैंने आपको कहा कि अधिकतर लोगों का एटीट्यूड उस पर काफी पॉजिटिव है. इसका कोई हल ढूंढने के लिए
Some states are saying they want higher compensation now post demonetization because there have been revenue losses for the states.
देखिए, compensation is not linked to demonetization.
Sir, most states are in favor of dual control. The way if there is a consensus of dual control among most states, why don't they go for voting instead of an outright consensus?
देखिए, I have been consciously avoiding the voting, and I'll give you the reason why. GST Council is a federal institution, and a federal institution in a large democracy like India, it's a very delicate organization. And therefore, the fact that we have been so far able to resolve every issue by discussions, at times even long discussions, I think we want to establish this as an initial precedent of how the council functions, because its initial functioning will be cited as a precedent. Now, if you, instead of resolving it by a consensus and a discussion, if you in the very first instance start going in for voting without exploring all possibilities of a consensus, it won't be a good initial practice. Then this voting would be every year when you fix various decisions, the same practices will apply. So we want to use the avoid voting as far as possible as a settled practice. And I have said so in the council, so I have no hesitation of saying it here.
सर डिजिटल पेमेंट पर इंसेंटिव क्या कंटिन्यू रखा जाएगा? अभी डिजिटल पेमेंट पर
जो घोषणा की है जिनकी, वो चलेंगे.
स्टेट्स हैव आल्सो आस्क्ड फॉर एफआरबीएम रिलैक्सेशन.
अब आप बजट पहली तारीख की इंतजार कीजिए ना.
31 दिसंबर को रिजर्व बैंक ने ये घोषणा की है कि जो बैंकों से पैसे लेने की लिमिट है वो जारी रहेगी. एटीएम की लिमिट बढ़ाई गई है. ये लिमिट कब तक हटने की संभावना?
देखिए, आरबीआई तय करेगा मार्केट की सिचुएशन असेस करते हुए, और कई बार एक्शंस भी फेजेस में लिए जाते हैं, रिलैक्सेशंस भी फेजेस में होते हैं.
So if you are incentivizing digital transactions, are you also planning to disincentivize cash transactions?
देखिए, ये कोई एज अ पॉलिसी अब मैं अनाउंस नहीं कर रहा. इफ गवर्नमेंट टेक्स अ डिसीजन, वील लेट यू नो.
How will the tax rates be split under GST? Will it be equally split between the centre and the state? Some states have asked for a higher.
देखिए, उसका एक there is a presentation which was made. Everybody is acting on a particular premise, but some issues do keep arising. So the council will formally decide that.
But the centre hasn't taken a view.
You see, the centre had broadly taken a view in the initial presentations when we totaled up of the base year, the revenue of the states and the centre, and it was found to be broadly equal.
So the states have also said that the compensation amount will have to be the sources of the centre will have to tap more sources to compensate states now, and the earlier estimated amount of 55,000 crore will be revised again.
Uska pura that there is a complete consensus which has been approved on that in the compensation.
So since the entire demonetization exercise has almost come to an end, so there have been a lot of demands from Congress party and other parties also, so that RBI should come out with the minutes of the meeting which has been taken place on November 8 when the entire demonetization was announced. So since it has already been come to an end, why don't you think that RBI should come out?
Why should I express an opinion on
and since
Congress party?
Most of the decisions were taken by the finance ministry and the government all together in consultation with the RBI, so it will help the because the image which has been dented.
It's an issue for the RBI to decide.
So sir, you called for data, revenue data of states. So what is that for? Some compensation or something? Or just
नहीं, just let us know the facts कि किसका कितना बढ़ा तक इतना कम हुआ है.
Sir, is there an estimate available that how much will be compensated? 55,000 crore का.
जब वो स्थिति आएगी तो देखेंगे. बर्बाद नहीं हुआ, 8 बार में 16 निर्णय हो चुके हैं.
The Bengal finance minister came out and spoke to the media, and he said that because of demonetization, Bengal has lost 13%. He says there's a 2% negative growth in their revenue and 13%.
I think states which are governed well have earned well.
Punjab, Haryana, both have got positive.
Punjab, Haryana, Assam, all the states mentioned today that their revenues have increased.
Sir, we are talking about revenue of the state. Sir, we are talking about revenue of the
The
state.
2% that he mentioned inside the meeting became 30% outside.
Sir, we are talking about the revenue of state. What is the position of central revenue? Because advanced tax revenue numbers are.
So there was another point that West Bengal FM raised. He said that even the numbers put out by the Center for the Union FM, they were basically from April onwards, and they were not actually reflecting the uptick in the current, in the current last month.
So, on the compensation funds, so far the government had estimated close to 55,000 crore rupees. Post, the demonetization activity, will we see an uptick? Because yesterday also some of the FMs, West Bengal FM.
देखिए, मेरा अपना assessment ये है
90,000
कि एक क्वार्टर छोड़ने के बाद जो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ लार्जर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इनफॉर्मल इकोनॉमी विद द फॉर्मल इकोनॉमी होगा, उसमें रेवेन्यू सबके बढ़ने वाले हैं. दैट इज द पर्पस ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. In fact, despite all this, I can tell you the Revenue Secretary is here and he can confirm this. We will end this year with higher revenues, both direct and indirect taxes. Can we comfortably say this to
100%. And budgeted.